What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Robe, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Today, I got 2 boxes for us to check out. I do have quite a few stuff on the way. Some stuff's already got here, so I'll let you know where they're from whenever I bust them open and we're checking them out, making sure that quality is good. I want to send you guys in a nice, safe, reliable place. That way, you know your money's going somewhere safe and you're getting really good quality product in return. I've been doing this for such a long time. I got it narrowed down. I want to help you out, so just kind of use my guidance and I'm sure you'll be satisfied at the end of the day and building your collection just like I've built mine. One way to get in touch with me is to make sure you're in my Discord. Got a link down in the description, super easy. If you don't have Discord, there's an app for your phone. There's also apps on desktop, whatever you prefer. And then you can just drop pictures of what you want and I can help you find said product, likely for a really, really good price. Typically, if you're gonna use DHgate, it's gonna be cheaper. The product will be as good, if not slightly less as good as using the independent sellers, which is what I prefer and what the majority of my stuff I get comes from. But DHgate is good for bang for your buck, or if there's just like accessory stuff that you want, it is going to be cheaper. However, what you save in money, you pay in time. So typically DHgate, you're looking, you know, about 20 to 30 days from shipping time versus using the independent sellers. They're going to get stuff to you in about 7 to 14 days. So kind of just whatever you're into, however much money you got, what your goal is at the end of the day. So, but I can help you out whichever direction you want to go. But let's go ahead and get into these boxes. This one's a pretty big box. Yeah, I got some cool stuff on the way. So it's gonna be a pretty cool summer. I really am good on swimsuits, so I really haven't got any swimsuits. I just got those soccer jerseys, if you've checked out that video. What are you doing? Got the dog over here snooping around. She's a good girl. She's looking at Dad, wondering if this is something for her. I need to get her some little doggy J's. That would be cool. Double box. That's one thing that I prefer. That way you know your shoes are nice and protected. It's not going to have some 8-inch long centipede from the New York Harbor hanging out in your box, because that would be not cool. Nike SB, let's check her out. Bleached Aqua Geode Teal. Super sick off the rip. Pair of the high top white Nike socks. Can't go wrong with that. With the Nike outlet bag. Very cool. This thing is kind of borderline waterproof, so like if you go to the beach or something, or go down to the pool, you can throw ice in this bad boy, use it as a cooler. Oh man, damn, these even came in, these are like silicone wrapped. Oh, this is cool. Forever Sports. And it's got a little basketball on there, and then a black and gray Jordan 1. Very cool. This is that good silicone too. This feels good. Nice little keychain. All right. So let's get down to the sneaker. As you can see, this is a first time I have seen this, but they sent the shoe wrapped in this plastic wrap just to ensure that it is nice and safe. These are gonna be from Jin Long, been around a very long time, very reputable seller. If you know your kind of way around this side of doing things, you probably heard that name, or if you've seen some of my videos, like I've been working with them for a long time. Can't go wrong with their product. As you see, you're gonna get hooked up, you get a bag, keychain, socks, the shoes, vacuum sealed in plastic. The box, double boxed, and I got these pretty quick too. Like I said, less than 10 days. Let's bust them open and see what's working here. This is a size EU 40, men's 7, women's 8.5. Man, these are sick. So this is a combo with FL Studio. If you remember back in around 2020, 2021, they did a FL Studio Off-White collab, I think it was, or it might have just been FL, but they dropped some leather dunks and those were super fire. Now they're kind of hitting us with this aqua freaking trippy haze going on. Oh, shit. Hang on. Let me get this. Trying to be too nice with it. There we go. And this is a canvas material around here. And typically when they do that, it peels. But I don't know if this one peels or not. We do have a deep turquoise suede swoosh that feels really, really good. And I really didn't do my research on these, so I'm not quite sure whose signature is on this. If you know, down in the comments, let me know. But I may just do the dirty work and find it while I'm editing this video. Like I said, Jin Long hooking it up. Very cool font on the Nike SB on the tongue as well. Check that out. The tongue is super, super squishy as well. Got all that extra padding in there. And then it does have the SB insole. I can just see it nice and stiff. SB does stand for skateboarding, so this is the Nike skateboarding line. And then you got that clear, icy bottom with the signature on there as well. Man, I feel like a bum that I don't know, but it's one of those things, you know? It's just one of those things. Like, and just your classic SB box, typically when they do these kind of banger collabs, they'll do a special box and it'll have like a card in there with the details. I really like when they do that because it gives me a script to read, but it's like a little extra piece that, you know, comes with the shoe. Let's keep these front and center. Yeah, these look sick, dude. Looking sick. There we go. All right, we still got one more to check out. So let's get into that one. I got a bunch of keychains. Well, I'm covering up. There's keychains over there, but just from doing this for so long, I got so much extra goodies. I got rid of a bunch of boxes, but when I got rid of the shoe boxes, I kept all the tissue paper just to like use for gifts and stuff. So I have like these little containers that you'd see like at Target, the little plastic 3-layer containers. And one's got tissue paper, one's got socks, and one's got shoelaces in it. And they're filled to the brim. I kind of want to do a cool art project or something with the shoelaces. Like, I've seen where like people make art out of like the string boards and stuff like that. That's pretty cool. Oh. Got a slide here. Very cool. Size 11, salt gray maybe? Okay, just your black colorway. These are gonna be from SN Kick. Beautiful company, got beautiful product. Can't go wrong. Man, super duper squishy. These have that smell to them too. Got that rubber smell. Looks like a little shark. Blah, 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 blah. Let's check out the other one. Yeah, and I mean, it's pretty much the same thing as the DH Gate pairs, but honestly, these are nicer. These actually like have the textured pieces on the heel. And I don't know, just the quality of them feels a little bit better than the DH Gate pairs. But obviously, they look the same, so it's hard to want to spend the extra money. But if you're just one of those people in your head, it doesn't sit right unless they're absolutely perfect, then SNKick is definitely where you want to go. And they not only have slides, they have literally everything. Like, they've been around a long time. I've worked with them for a very long time. So I highly recommend you check them out. I will make a short with this so you can kind of see what I'm talking about the texture, but you can kind of see it there. Just throw it to the inside. Yeah, Adidas logo right there. Got the sticker, and then just your classic wave on the bottom. No. Okay, yeah, it does say, it says Yeezy on the inside. I'm not sure if we'll be able to show it, but maybe. It's like up there on the inside the cave. Size 11 though. Let's check them out. Oh yeah. Yeah, fit perfect. Can't go wrong. Yeah, honestly, these just fit better. I think the mold and just the overall quality is just a little bit higher notch than the DH Gate pairs, which I prefer that. I prefer it to be the nicest of the nice. That's just me. But if you're after these, you want a perfect pair, SNKick's where to go. And you heard it here. So yeah, I'm Jeff Robe. Thanks for tuning in today. Pretty sick video, checking out 2 pairs. I do have more stuff on the way. I got some clothes coming in, so make sure you're staying tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hang out in the Discord, say what's up. I'd be more than happy to help you save some money. And I'll be back next time when I got some more stuff for you.